Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Entry and exit criteria for integration tests define when it is possible to begin integration tests and when integration tests are fully complete. Let's start with the entry criteria. Integration test plan document is signed off. Integration test cases are fully prepared. Test data has been created. Unit testing of all modules is complete. Critical and high priority defects have been fixed. The test environment is ready for integration. Exit criteria. All of the integration tests are complete. All critical and priority defects have been closed. Test report has been prepared. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.